All right, folks. So just real quick, um, currently installing Evolution X 9.3 on my Pixel 6a. So there is the step-by-steps of what you need to do after you download all the files. And when you execute it in Fastboot, it should look like that. As you can see, each line, Fastboot flash boot image, and then DTBO image, vendor_boot image. And you'll boot back into recovery, double check that your device after when it's in recovery is connected to ADB. And then you're going to ADB sideload the ROM zip file. So it should look like that. And the reason why it says things like, Fastboot flash boot image is you're telling it exactly where the location is at. So you're replacing the stock boot image with a custom one. And so you have to put flash boot and then boot image, which is the file that you have downloaded and saved in your platform tools. Yeah, so hopefully this just quickly explains it. But right now we're sitting at, looks like 51% is installed. And I believe this is the one that has the kernel SU also. I'll test that out here in a little while. But yeah, I just wanted to just, share this and update with everybody. All right, we're almost done here. Sitting at 94% installed, which is different from previous ones. But there we go. We're done. Don't be alarmed if it stops off at 94%. That's totally fine. All right, so let me go ahead and we do not want to install anything additional. So I hit no. And then we're going to let it reboot to system now. Let me disconnect the USB cable. And the first boot should take roughly about 5 minutes or so. There you go. You should see that animation screen. And then you should be good from that point. Now we're booted up. So I got to get everything pretty much installed from scratch and then customize the phone to the way that I want it. But yeah, this is the Google Pixel 6a running Evo X 9.3, which is still Android 14 based, but it does have the August security patch as well as kernel SU and WireGuard installed. So yeah, this is going to be fun setting it all back up again. All right, so everything is pretty much set up now. And check that out. We got the bat logo for the fingerprint sensor. And then on the top right there, you got the bat logo there. And I pretty much used the Nothing Phone font. Also changed up the icons on the top, including the battery areas and percentage text rather than an icon. And you got data traffic monitor on the top right there. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I even modified the quick settings. So instead of having just internet where you tap that to turn on Wi-Fi and mobile data, I got them separated. So I can turn off mobile data if I want to. I can turn off Wi-Fi and I don't have to select multiple buttons. And I just keep the bare essentials on there. There's a lot more that you can add. So like the animations, flip to turn it off. And no, I do not want it to turn back on its own. Flip to turn it back on. So pretty cool animations and such. I'll probably do like a full review on YouTube of what's new in the latest 9.3 Evo X custom ROM for the Pixel 6a.